now. Hey guys, I'm just trying to install the new ROM on my OnePlus 6. I usually just do it while on the go. Get all the files ready. I just installing Havoc OS G apps on the OnePlus 6. Plus, I gotta install the twerp installer back because twerp gets erased when you install ROM. That's what I'm doing. Almost done here. At the mall, obviously. I just want to show you how quickly you can do this while walking. Boy, look at this. We will this candy. Candies. Candies. Alright. We're gonna rest here, rest stop area, yeah. Whew. It's almost done. Now installing G apps. Should take a few more seconds. Reboot and I should be done. Alright, now installing twerp. You can only install in any order. Alright, now installing Magisk. Rooting. There, it's done. Hopefully it boots. This is a OnePlus 6. I just started using it a little bit more. And boom shakalaka. Havoc ROM installed on the go. Alright, bye.